In the heart of New York City, 1973, a cultural revolution was about to unfold. The South Bronx, a once vibrant community, now lay in ruins, ravaged by poverty and neglect. Amidst the desolation, a new sound began to echo through the streets. Jamaican immigrant Clive Campbell, better known as DJ Kool Herc, was the catalyst for this change. With a love for music and a pair of turntables, he began hosting parties in the recreational centers of the South Bronx. These parties, known as back-to-school jams, were a refuge for the youth, a place to forget the harsh realities of their daily lives. One night, in the dimly lit rec center, Kool Herc introduced a novel concept. He extended the break beat, the instrumental section of a song, giving dancers more time to showcase their moves. This innovation would soon become the foundation of a new genre, hip-hop. As the break beat echoed through the night, the crowd responded with a fervor never seen before. The dance floor transformed into a battleground, with dancers competing for supremacy. The partygoers, inspired by the music, began to rhyme over the beats, their words a testament to their struggle and resilience. This was the birth of MCing, or rapping, as it came to be known. One of the first MCs was a teenager named Kool Herc. Alongside Kool Herc, he would freestyle over the beats, telling stories of life in the Bronx, giving voice to the voiceless. In the years that followed, hip-hop would spread beyond the South Bronx, finding a home in the hearts of millions. It would become a powerful tool for expression, a testament to the resilience of the human spirit, and a beacon of hope in times of despair. From the ashes of the South Bronx, a new culture was born, a culture that would forever change the world. The story of hip-hop is a testament to the power of music, the power of community, and the power of the human spirit. It is a story that continues to inspire and resonate, a story that is as relevant today as it was in 1973.